This is Mark Dempsey reporting for Dempsey Blizzard Update number 2. Hello, Mark. Hi. Are you liking the snow? What do you think about it? Huh? Let's take a look at the snow. Oh no, it's so tall. Look at that snow. It's still coming down. And it's very high. As you can see, it's already gone past the first line of the window. It's almost halfway up the second line of the window. And the snow is still coming down. What do you think, Mark? Are you enjoying your snowy winter? What do you think? I'll let you think about it. Tyler, what do you think of the snow? Any opinions? Marky, would you like to say anything? Yeah? Okay. I'll make sure that we all know that. Gabriel, do you like the snow?
No.
No? You don't want to go out and play in the snow? Well, that's all for Dempsey Blizzard Update number 2. See you later, everybody. Yeah.